If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To customize your company's time settings in QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then click the Account and Settings link under the Your Company heading in the menu to open the Account and Settings window. Then click the Time Company Settings category link in the menu at the left side of the window to show the individual settings in that category to the right. For companies with a QuickBooks Time or Payroll Premium subscription, the Time Settings category contains the Time Tracking, Timesheet fields, Manage Kiosk, and Notifications sections. Unlike other categories in the Account and Settings window, to edit the individual settings in each section of the Time category in these types of companies, click the pencil icon button at the right end of each section. Alternatively, for companies with basic time tracking, there are fewer settings. To learn how to change the time settings for basic time tracking companies in QuickBooks Online, please see the lesson titled Time Tracking Settings in the Time Tracking chapter of this tutorial. To edit the Time Tracking General settings, click the pencil icon at the right end of the Time Tracking section. To select the first day of the work week for time tracking, then select the day from the First Day of Work Week dropdown. To select the time zone to use for timesheets, select one from the Time Zone dropdown. To split timesheets at midnight, check the Split Timesheets at Midnight checkbox. To let employees edit their own timesheets, check the Allow team members to create and edit their own timesheets checkbox. To let employees edit their clock-out time after working a set number of hours, check the Allow team members to edit their clock-out time after consecutively working more than blank hours checkbox, and then enter the number of hours into the blank. To set timesheet rounding, if allowed in your jurisdiction, use the Direction and Rounding Increment dropdowns for the Round Clock-in Times and Round Clock-out Times settings to select the direction to round and by which increments to round for each setting. To view more information about jurisdictional restrictions on timesheet rounding, click the View Rounding Guide link. To save the time tracking changes, click the Save button in this section. Alternatively, to cancel the changes, click Cancel instead. To edit the fields and field settings for timesheet entries, click the pencil icon at the right end of the Timesheet Fields section to open a Customize Your Timesheets window. This window shows checkboxes for the Customers and Subcustomers, Service Item, Billable, Rate per Hour, Require Billable, Class, Location, Notes, Allow team members to edit existing notes, and Require Notes fields that you can add to timesheets. To show a field in the timesheet, check its checkbox. To remove a field from the timesheet, uncheck its checkbox. To save your changes and close the window, click the Save button at the bottom of the page. To cancel any changes and close the window, click the Cancel button instead. To add a shared device for employees to use to clock in and out as a time clock kiosk, click the pencil icon at the right end of the Manage Kiosk section to open a Kiosk Manager window. To set the amount of time before a user is signed out of the time kiosk due to inactivity, enter the seconds of duration to allow into the Inactivity Timer Duration field. To add a device, click the Add Device button and then select either Use this computer or other device from the drop-down menu. Then follow the on-screen instructions to finish adding the device. To enable or disable location recording on all kiosks, click the More drop-down and then select a choice. To close the window when finished, click the Done button. To edit the time tracking notifications settings, click the pencil icon at the right end of the Notifications section. To send team members reminders to clock in and clock out to their mobile or email numbers, select a time from the Send Clock In Reminder and/or Send Clock Out Reminder drop-downs, and then check the adjacent Email or Mobile checkbox as desired. To select the days on which to send reminders, click the Days Reminders Are Sent drop-down, and then click a day to check it or uncheck it. QuickBooks only sends reminders on checked days in this drop-down. To choose the people to notify when time is adjusted, select a choice from the Notify When Clock In, Clock Out Time is Adjusted drop-down. To choose the people to notify when notes are added or edited, select a choice from the Notify When Notes Are Added or Edited drop-down. To save changes to the time tracking notifications, click the Save button in this section. Alternatively, to cancel the changes, click Cancel instead. To close the account and settings window when you're finished, click the Done button in the lower right corner, or click the X button in the upper right corner. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.